Barry's 66 Mustang. 289 car with deluxe pony interior. Doesn't have the console. But it's got aftermarket AC. Deluxe steering wheel. Pony interior. My absolute favorite. Anyways, he's been having an issue with it getting a little bit hot. It does have an electric fan. Let's see what else we got going on under here. Damn it. Where is it? Come on. Ugh. All right. So like I said, he does have an electric fan. It's a bit of a short electric fan. Does have an aluminum northern radiator, which isn't bad. So we have coolant, I believe. Yep, we're full of coolant. It does have an overflow tank. That's weird. All right, UPS man interrupted me. That's kind of a red flag for me. Never been able to do that. Let's see here. But we are full of coolant. So let's fire this baby up. Let her get up to temperature, see what she does. Alright, fired up and running. Let's check to see if she builds pressure. And this will also help us see if the thermostat is opening or not. So if this thing starts reading high on the gauge, and the top of this radiator is cold, or this hose is cold, you know what our problem is. So we're definitely up to temp. The fan's running. I noticed one thing. We are not building any pressure. That could be an issue. So we're going to let this cool off. I'm going to pressure test the system. See what we got. So I just pulled the cap off hot with no boiling. Nothing pushing out, no pressure at all. I think our cap's bad. Bad cap, boys and girls, bad cap. Alright, so we've replaced the cap. And this one actually took some effort to tighten, unlike the other one. So, we're going to fire up the car a little bit, see how she does, see if it builds pressure. So I've only had it running a couple minutes. And we're already getting pressure. Whereas before I could just go squish, squish. Radiator cap is all she needed. Came back over, put a new cap on. And it's only been running a couple minutes and we already have pressure on the system. As opposed to before, I ran it about 15 minutes and it wasn't pressurized at all. So we definitely needed a new cap.